You're all craving something sweet and warm today, God willing. I will show you how to make fruit tarts in an easy and simple way. The filling is rich yet light, and the dough comes out fluffy and delicate. Stay with us, beautiful meal point followers. First, I have 250 grams of soft butter at room temperature, a pinch of salt, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and gelatin. Mix them in a blender until we get a creamy consistency. Add the whole egg whites and mix them in. I have a tablespoon of starch, and I'll add flavor with a small teaspoon of butter extract. I'll mix these ingredients and add 1/3 of flour, which equals about 1/4 of a bag. After you get a soft, pliable dough, we add. The last thing is a small teaspoon of baking powder. Knead the dough, cover it, and leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. For the cream, I have half a liter of milk with a generous cup of regular sugar. Mix them cold. Divide the mixture into 2 parts. Heat 1 part, and to the other part, we'll add 2 egg whites. A generous cup of starch, and I have a small teaspoon of butter extract. Mix everything together and add the hot milk. After combining these ingredients in the bowl, place on heat while stirring constantly. At the end, add half a tablespoon of margarine, transfer to a dish and let it cool. For the dough, I placed it in molds like this, poked holes in it, and baked at 180 degrees until golden brown. After the cream cooled, I beat it well in the mixer, added 2 large tablespoons and mixed until I got this consistency. Next, I'll bring over what I used here. I used tropical fruits and prepared the cream, then applied it this way and decorated with fruits you might have at home. I spread it on top to give it that beautiful look. Enjoy! See you in the next episode. Peace be upon you.
You're preparing a dessert for the birthday celebration. Today, I will show you how to make an easy, quick caramel-flavored dessert shaped like candles. It's delicious and impressive. First, I have a glass of powdered milk and a glass of regular milk. Add 2 packages of diet cream cheese. I used half a package of caramel-flavored cream and added some honey to enhance the flavor. Mix all these ingredients together until you get a smooth, creamy texture. On the other hand, we'll prepare some coffee. I always use coffee in my desserts. It gives them a wonderful flavor. The aroma is something only coffee lovers would truly appreciate. Put our coffee in a wide dish and dip the biscuits in it. Use whatever biscuits you have at home and arrange them as the first layer. Next, add a second layer of the cream mixture we prepared. Then add a third layer of coffee-soaked biscuits. And add another layer of cream on top. Take half a cup of sugar and melt it until it becomes caramel. Add half a cup of hot water and a can of caramel flan. Mix and heat until combined, then let it cool. Finally, for the top layer, add bananas cut into small squares. Make a slice in the middle, sprinkle with cinnamon and drizzle with the caramel sauce. Let the dessert cool completely for 2 hours before serving it at the Prophet's birthday celebration. So this is our recipe for today. All that's left to say is wishing you good health and peace be upon you.
Hello, welcome to Tasty Food Studio. It combines the flavors of banana, chocolate, milk, and biscuit. Follow along with the recipe. First thing, I have 1 liter of milk. We'll add a cup plus 1/4 of sugar to it. Add 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 large tablespoons of starch, and an egg yolk. I also have vanilla, either liquid or powder. Mix them cold, then put directly on heat while stirring continuously until the mixture thickens. Once thick, add a cup of whipping cream with 35% fat content. Mix with the cream, then add 6 pieces and 3 pieces of biscuit. Add banana slices, mix them together, then take our mixture and divide it into 2 parts. We'll make the first layer with the mixture we prepared. I'm using this Mir brand flavor that I love, which you can find at Le Boy Dozen Sweet Shop. We'll place it on the sides and add another layer of cream that we made with Lebanese biscuits. I have 200 grams of 35% whipping cream and 200 grams of milk chocolate that I melted together, as you saw. Then I added them as the final layer and decorated with strawberries and pistachios. This is our dessert for today. It's an easy, quick, and delicious dessert that you can prepare for Ramadan evenings. Honestly, it's really tasty and full of flavor. What I love most about it is how rich and indulgent it is. Enjoy your meal. See you in another episode. Take care.